So we'll talk a little bit about this wing. Yes, it is fragile. Fragile, that's Italian. You did know that, didn't you? Anyway, it's not going to last long. Little hard spills, even grabbing it a little bit hard, and it's going to come apart. Mine was broken straight out of the box. It happens, okay? With shipment, vibrations, everything, it just happens. And getting a replacement, well, that's a little bit easier said than done. But don't worry. If you want to race this without the wing, it's easy to remove. We'll show you that using a Dremel right here, grinding away these post melts right here to break that security, and then you'll be able to pop the wing right off. We'll also show you what happens if you break it. Alright, to remove this, we do this with a little milling bit in our Dremel. This is how I handle most of these post melts. And we just turn this on low, and we'll just go around here just lightly. I've already done this one, but just showing you here. And you'll get rid of that little mushroom there where the melt is until it breaks free, and then you'll be able to pull it right out safely. There you go. If you do break it, you might want to try this method. This is some 26 gauge craft wire, good old lighter. Just get that glowing red hot, as you can see, and then I inserted it into the mount, held it there for a couple of seconds, it dried, and then I trimmed it off. You can see the wire here coming out. I'm just using some UV glue. You can use any brand you want, Bondic, doesn't matter, Amazon. There you go, just drop on there. Give that just a few seconds, and you're good to go. See that? And again, if you want to pop this off, this UV glue, it's easy to just pry out, so you don't have to worry about breaking it again. You can just sit here with just a little bit of pressure and pop it right out. So don't panic. I know that getting these are kind of hard, so that's just one method to fix it. Works for me.